Hey folks, it's Casey Dimon here with the TaxSaleAcademy.com, and in this video we're talking about absentee bidding. You know, a lot of people ask me, whether it's other investors or students or even just friends, they say, how can you possibly invest in so many different counties? You know, it's true, I invest in hundreds of counties across our beautiful country each and every year. As much as I'd like to be able to say I have some sort of superpower, well, the fact of the matter is I don't have any superpowers. The reason I can invest in so many different counties is because I use absentee bidding a lot of times. You know, there's a few different benefits of absentee bidding. Number one, of course, is that you can invest anywhere in our country. You know, I've literally been sitting at an auction before, holding up a bidder number, sitting at a live auction, then I have my laptop on the chair next to me, bidding at another tax sale auction a few states away. So I'm actually in two tax sale auctions at one time. You know, another benefit of tax sale investing through absentee bidding is that you can invest without traveling. You know, if you're only interested in one or two pieces of property, it's not cost efficient a lot of times to spend $500 or $1,000 on an airline ticket, rental car, and hotel and everything else just to go and invest in those one or two types of property. So through absentee bidding, you can save a lot of money here, which will increase your profit at the very end. You know, another reason that you can invest on your timeline when you invest using absentee bidding. You know, I've literally been sitting at a dinner before in a restaurant investing in a tax sale auction. I've been placing bids right then and there. I've also done it on vacation. You know, I've done it while I'm a passenger in a vehicle before. There's a lot of different benefits through using absentee bidding. Now, there's two main types of absentee bidding. The first one is like an online auction platform. You know, it can be almost compared to eBay more or less. You know, you're bidding a lot of times real time against live bidders in a different state. You know, basically you'll submit your bid through a bidding console. The auction company will have somebody that represents all the internet bidders and who will bid against all the people in the room. So, you know, the auctioneer in the room might have somebody that bid $100. Then the auctioneer online, the one representing you, will say, listen, I have an internet bid for $200, and they go back and forth kind of real time. You know, the second way is through submitting an absentee paper bid or even an absentee online bid. You know, a lot of people know it as a proxy bid. And what this situation will do is you'll say, I'll pay up to $300 for that piece of property. Then the auction company will work on your behalf to get that piece of property as cheap as possible. So the two main types of absentee bidding is through an online auction platform, and then you have a absentee proxy bid. So when it comes to investing in tax sale properties, absentee bidding is a huge benefit compared to, you know, going to the actual tax sale auctions. Now with that said, don't be afraid to travel because of course there are a lot of benefits to traveling to the auctions. But if you aren't able to travel, if you're just starting out, definitely consider bidding absentee. Hope this has helped you learn about tax sale investing. If you'd like more information about the very lucrative tax sale business, head on over to my website at TheTaxSaleAcademy.com, and you can do this by clicking the blue link right here next to my head. Again, it'll take you to TheTaxSaleAcademy.com, and while you're there, download your free copy of my ebook, The Tax Sale Blueprint. Have a great day, folks. Take care. Bye-bye.